Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to go to work, but I wanted to stop in and let you know the 500 subscriber giveaway is on hold for now. The winner of this giveaway was going to get an Evermoment canvas up to $50 or two Evermoment canvases, the amount equal to $50. However, I did confirm last night that Evermoment is on vacation, whatever that means. Hopefully, it just means vacation. I hope all is well and that no one is ill. And if so, I wish them a speedy recovery and I hope, or a nice vacation, and I hope they get back to work soon. But when they do, I will let you know. Hopefully, we'll have an update for this during my Saturday Night Live, the 29th, this Saturday, Leap Day. I'm going to put a card up here, which is a link to the 500 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you leave the appropriate comment so that you can get in on this giveaway whenever it does occur. And I will see you guys in my next video or in my next live. Take care.